Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I am fine.
Can you please tell me your name?
My name is Kumar PAUDEL.
Where are you from?
I am from Salyan, Nepal.
How old are you?
I am 27 years old,
Are you married or single?
married,
Do you have any children?
three children,
What is your religion?
Hindu,
What is your academic qualification?
school level.
What work experience do you have?
I have work experience, uh, dishwasher for in Nepal.
Okay. Why do you want to come Romania?
To earn money,
Okay. How long do you want to stay in Romania?
5 years.
Do you know anybody in Romania?
No.
Okay, thank you.